How add remove magnification on your Samsung Galaxy A15. Today I will show you how to do it. First step to do that is from my menu, we must navigate to the settings. In it we look for accessibility option right there, and now we go to the vision where we have our magnification right there. We must turn on this function and we have now this person icon on the right corner. We press on it and we have our magnification, which position we can easily change by using two fingers, and we can zoom more or no more. To turn off it, we press on our person icon on the right corner. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.